Okay, so we're gonna do a toast for the Father's Day. Alright. Happy Father's Day! Yay!
To our Kuya Bossy. Long live the kings be the queen.
Yes! Cheers!
Sweetness.
Good wine.
Sweet
This
wine.
is good.
Oh,
Cheers.
be careful. This is sweet. It will give you
Yes.
headache.
It's 5.5.
Okay.
Yeah, but the
Happy
sweetness.
Father's Day!
No.
The more, the sweeter it has.
Happy
That's
Father's Day
what
po
she-
sa lahat ng tatay.
I like sweet wine.
At
So that's
sana
what you
po
say,
kayo po ay nagsaselebrate din na katulad namin.
This is our...
God bless us all po and keep safe. Bye-bye!
Sliced ginger.
So have some tuxedo chocolate mousse.
turmeric.
I got this cake for Dada and actually it's really good po. The filling is not really sweet. So napakasarap po niya. So join us.
Good hot water.
This
Ginger
is
really good.
Dada's cake for Father's Day.
Basta ito